There is another some program initiation by the Government of India known as Atal Innovation Mission AIM. The Atal Innovation Mission is flagship initiative set by the Niti Aayog. The objective of this program is that to promote the innovation and entrepreneurship across the country. Based on the detailed study and deliberation on innovation and entrepreneurship needs for India in the coming years. There is another fellowship known as that the World Academy of Sciences. It works to support sustainable prosperity through the research, education, policy and diplomacy for the advancement of science and developing countries. TWAS is Global Science Academy based in Italy. TWAS is Global Science Academy based in Italy. TWAS fellowships for research and advanced training. It offers fellowship to young scientists in developing countries to enable them to spend 3 to 12 months at research institute in developing countries other than their own. The second objective of this program is to enhance the research capacity for promising scientists, especially those at the beginning of the research career, helping them for fostering link in further collaboration. There is very well known fellowship is that DST Inspire. DST Inspire fellowships aims to enhancing research fellowship for doctoral studies and opening up partnership with the private sector for topping the government's efforts in nurturing talents for scientific research. This scheme is applicable to basic and applied sciences as well as the medicine, agriculture, etc. with the provision of multiple entries. The fellowship will be offered to inspired scholar having secured minimum 70 marks in aggregate at MSc or integrated MSc, or first rank holder at university level examination in each postgraduate level examination in basic and applied science including engineering, medicine, pharmacy, agriculture science and others. There are some fellowship and summer research projects are also funded by the MHRD. It is known as that KVPY, Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. Under the Department of Science and Technology and the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, it is funded to the young scientist. Another fellowship is that National Initiative on Undergraduate Science, Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research TIFR, Indian Academy of Sciences, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IISER Pune, IIT, all these are various institutes and departments are providing different kind of funding to the scientists and teachers in the field of higher education. So, these are the various institute and funding agencies provided research fund for the teachers in the field of the higher education. There is another opportunity for the PG student, Narottam Seksaria Scholarship Program. This is specially for the PG student. It is a foundation award interest free loan scholarship to Indian student with the consistently good academic record. These scholarships are awarded to the student who will pursue their postgraduate studies in the field of pure science, applied science, social science, humanities, law, agriculture and management at prestigious Indian and international universities. The amount of the scholarship is near about 10 lakhs. This is a good opportunity to the PG students from any higher education institute from the India or from other country also. There are another opportunity and good well known institutes are providing research funding in the field of governance and management, known as that National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration. It is known as NIPA. NIPA is also providing research funding to the various universities and institutes in the field of management and leadership. There is another institute NCERT. This institute is also giving research funding in the field of school education research. In the field of school education, NCERT giving different kind of the fund to the various subjects, languages and social science, science and mathematics and etc. school subject. NCERT giving good support to the teachers, those who would like to work in the field of science education, language education, social science education and etc. Nowadays, there is another education institute is providing fund for the research to the students. Nowadays, there is another institutes are providing research fund for the teachers. Mahatma Gandhi Council for Rural Development. It is also giving the research funding to the teachers for the work in the field of Naitalim. This council is also providing fellowship for the PhD students in the field of humanities and social science, basically in the field of Naitalim, which philosophy will depend on our Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy. Friends, we see different kind of the institutes and departments and ministry and national institutes, university level institutes, international level institutes, those are providing different kind of the research fund to us for the doing good research in the field of higher education. I hope this kind of the research fundings will be utilized by you in the field of higher education, and you would like to enlighten your research area in the field of higher education. I wish to all of you to do the research in the field of higher education. Thank you. All the best.